see if someone else can tell me about mood, because you obviously know a lot. Let's look at this table. Chris Lloyd, can you tell me something about mood?
God, why nominate me? Anyway.
Come on, mate. Mood. No? It's okay. Don't worry. You think about. Kind of sounds like another word. M-O-S. Mood.
It's moosed off.
Moosed off. Fantastic. Okay, good work. So it's the moosed off. So there's some more information up on the board now again. Mode is the most common number. Okay, which Emma and Chris got right at the very end there. Well done.
So you can understand more. Because it's confusing if you have them all jumbled up.
Exactly. If all the numbers are jumbled up, it's very confusing. Okay, so we put the numbers in order. When we put the numbers in order, we can see that one is there the most often. What if all of a sudden 4 more 9s appeared? And I've got 7 9s and 7 10s.
Then they'd both be
Ben?
They'd both be the mode.
Excellent. Then they would both be the mode. And the mode would then be 9 and 10. What if all of a sudden 4 more 9s appeared? And I've got 7 9s and 7 10s.
Then they'd both be
Ben?
They'd both be the mode.
Excellent. Then they would both be the mode. And the mode would then be 9 and 10. Sizes, so this group and this group. I'd like you to just write down the shoe sizes just while the last few people finish the writing on the board, okay? Write down the shoe sizes and work out the mode for me. Go!
Simple the same.
Got it?
I write it down like that.
I want you to write it down. You tell me.
What do you think he's right now?
Yeah. Come on, sort it out. Let's go. What have we got?
The reason with fits me when you can do it, I mean. The common number is 5.
Those common numbers 5?
Yeah.
Tell you what, Tim, you were going to make one fantastic maths teacher one day.
If he wasn't so screwed.
If you were a Bristol City fan.
Wait.
So, range is how far it is from the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, so that again, we need to make sure we take the smallest number away from the largest one. That.
I've noticed you've changed the shoe sizes. You've got 2 different shoe sizes.
Yeah, I want these shoe sizes, our shoe sizes. That's a good question.
Yeah, but
Make sure we're sticking with our shoe sizes.
Oh, yeah.
So 12 minus 4?
8.
Fantastic. And our range, okay, our range is equal to 8.
simple.
Right, and I'm going to see how you get on. So I've got some sheets that I'm going to give out to you. Then I've got some other tasks, okay, if you get past those sheets. But we're going to have about 15 minutes now, 15-20 minutes, where we're going to be working on, sorry man, I'm in your way, going to be working on these different theories, okay, and on these different methods of working out averages. Alright, so, here's I'd like you to work in pairs. Right, okay, do a bit of pair working. Right, this bit, work as a 3. This bit, I want you to work in pairs, and the reason, and the same for you, Olaf and Harry, the reason why I want you to work in pairs is I want you to make sure that if you're not sure about the method, you can talk to someone about it. Good, we don't get confused, but what about in the exam?
So that could end up being the wrong answer.
Yeah.
It could end up being the wrong answer.
Then run through how you lay it out.
Okay, they mark you on if you show your workings out. If you stand there and just go, the mood's 5,
They'll actually have done.
you'll only get 1 point out of 3. Okay, so you need to show your workings out, and your workings out in this one, I'm putting them in order, okay, so you must put them in order. So that, just there,
Are we allowed to use a calculator?
Okay, we'll put them in order. What's the lowest number?
Why are you really
3. So we put 3, 1, 2, 3, what do we do? Cross it out. Don't forget that, because when you come to your exams and things,
Don't know if you'll be
obviously
quick
it's a big mistake if you end
You've
up
got
doing
2
the
more
numbers
sheets,
twice.
they
So
got
if you
2 more
cross
sheets.
it out, that
Come
makes
on,
it
use
check
quicker,
first.
use quicker then.
There's 2 7s. Oh, keep pressing the wrong numbers.
It's nice, Harry.
If you're not. Cool. So what are the total of the numbers?
These are numbers, right?
Gonna need to calculate there, buddy.
I want to do it. Please, one second.
Yep.
So first of all, we've got to work out the mean. How are we going to work out the mean?
So you don't need a phone, do you?
Just do it in your head. So remember, when we do
We're
this,
getting on
we're
better.
not testing your adding skills. We're testing your
Getting on all
use of doing obviously.
Good. So Ben's done something already. Used
Some
some
of
of
the
your.
right answer. Okay, because we need that. We've worked out that we're dividing it. So we're around 48.
What do they all add up to?
Sorry, mate.
You need to write that down. You've got to show your working.
Divided.
Numbers that are there.
Yeah. So we're dividing it by the amount of numbers. Okay. So everyone happy? That's how we're getting our mean. 48 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of interest, I know that there's 5 8s and 40, and I've got one more 8, which would give me my 6 as well. So what would be, for our first one, what would be our mean average?
6.
Yeah, you happy with that? You're right, Chris, late night?
Everyone's obviously getting on.
Yeah,
Good.
So that was the median, wasn't it? So 6.5 in the median.
Just read it.
Because remember, you went to Raven. Got my
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah. Good.
So,
So,
what
right,
range?
for the moment,
How
which
do
is
you work out
most-
the range?
The range
How many
is from
11s
the
are there?
largest to the smallest. Smallest is 3, the largest is 8, and that's 5.
Good. And so
So
what
we
you said,
subtract
we can
the
be
smallest from the largest.
fantastic.
Yeah, but 8 is going to
So-
is 3.
They're all the move.
So we
Alright.
subtract.
Good, well done.
Guys, you all happy? I'm going to go to the next one.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Do you want to go to the next one? Because I think, to be honest, you're there, aren't you? Do you want a hand, Chris?
No.
You sure?
Come on, Ron.
Yeah. That's right. I reckon, to be honest, guys, you've got it. What have you done here? What's this?
Kind of.
So you've added them all up. Once you've added them up, what do you then have to do? So you think, what we do is we add them. Okay, that's our first stage. We add them. We divide it by what?
No, the middle number.
By the amount of numbers that we've got.
Wrong there. So obviously that was crossed out. That one's there, that one there. I think you're just getting those two maybe switched around the wrong way. So just go back, make sure you read for your notes obviously. Yeah. See the stuff that we were working through. Alright. And then have a look. Do a few more examples for me. Alright, and then I'll see about moving you on to the next thing. Is that okay? On to the next task.
That's really
Where you going?
Oh Ben, you moved up the other week.
Oh yeah, come sit next to me.
Can I move up again?
Not yet.
Ben, you're not good enough, mate. You're not, mate.
Brilliant.
7.
Brainiac. Brainiac dead.
One thing. Just there, right? Oh, you put one a bit too close on that one there. Alright, so what I want you to do, be over in a minute, boy, hang on a sec. Okay, is I just want you to go through and I want you to check why these ones might be wrong.
9. It's that. So 9. And then we subtract what's the smallest number.
Alright, so the ones are circled, not that one there, sorry, I don't know why I circled.
5.
That one, that one, that one.
Yeah, just have a look through those, okay? And then once you've kind of gone through that,
That one,
you've checked
I reckon I
yours.
forgot to put the 1 piece decimal point.
No, that's the actual round number. Right? So check that one out and that one out as well. Okay. Then once we've done that, what we're going to do is I'll move this group on and get you actually looking through some data and being able to extract mean, median, and mode from some data. Is that okay? So
finish that one first?
yeah, you finish that one and check.
hate the copying of them.
It's all about getting the points, Harry. It's all about getting the points. Reason you've got one wrong. Okay, all I want you to do is I want you to circle it, and I want you to go back and I want you to review it, and I want you to be able just 2 seconds. I'll be there in a second. Alright? Go through it, circle it, and then go back and just have a little review and see maybe where you got it wrong. Okay, so question number 1.
We're there.
Yeah.
Ben, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so question number 1. The mean, okay, is 13.
I've got 13 points.
Okay, so circle it and you need to go back and check it, okay?
Alright.
So circle it. Alright, you need to go back and check it, alright? Median is 15. Mode is 15. Make sure you're ticking them. And number 2 is just there.
Jeez, I'm gone. Right.
That's okay.
13, 12, I didn't finish that.
And the range is 30, okay? Who's done, have we done number 6?
Yeah.
Can we mark number 6 then? The mean is 15.
No, that's not true. We subtract the lowest from the highest.
What's the lowest that we're playing?
Sorry mate, I just turned the page. That was wrong.
What you need to remember to do is, when you say subtract,
That's right, that was wrong. Okay. How are we getting on there? We've gone through it and we've written the numbers out
between 16 and 18.
Good to...
But I didn't know.
Right, okay, sorry. I see what you've done there on my sheet. That's fine. So what we've crossed off there, yeah, there. Sorry, on my sheet we've got done that one.
so they all, these all add up to 36.
Oh, yeah.
You divide them by 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, alright, just make sure, use your own theory, yeah? It was your own method. Just make sure that as we're going one by one, and we just take it our timetable, because I feel like you'll be able to do a bit more of the harder stuff once one if you want here for next week, is that okay? Top man. So make this your last sum.
Yeah, okay. 2, 3, 4.
Well, I've done a little bit of marking with some people as well. I'm sure, Matt, you've done some what's right and wrong over here. Okay, so you've got some feedback, and you know maybe where you're getting wrong. Harry, where was something that you were getting mixed up with?
I was getting the median and mode mixed up.
Good, okay, so Harry was getting the median and the mode mixed up. He was getting the right answer, but he was just getting the wrong thing, okay? So that's something that we just need to be aware of, alright? Now through the rest of our lesson, we've looked at median, we've looked at mode, we've looked at range, and we've completed the set task, okay, that was ahead of us. Now all the other stuff that we've got here, that's fine, because we can continue on with this, and I'll adjust my, my little plan that I've got for us that we do, and I'll move some things a little bit further back. And I think it's good that we do a little bit more median and mode, okay, because and mean and all the other fun ranges and stuff, alright, because we want to make sure that we understand it, you know, and even Harry, who's really good, like, you know, still slips up a little bit and, like, you know, got a little bit confused with what title meant what.
Mean.
The mean. Because I know that was one that you were struggling with, wasn't it, when I first came over?
Correct. The mean is also the same as average.
Good. It's also the same as average. Fantastic. Can you tell me what the mode is?
The most common number.
The most common number, right? And also, when I was just walking around, and also checked some of the other things as well, there's a lot of modes. Sometimes they say, well, because there's so many, there is no mode. All right. So that's another thing that, you know, even I picked up when we were walking around. All right. So good work to people that found that.
It's on the board.
Sorry. What's the range?
It's the biggest number, it's from the biggest to the smallest number. So you take away the biggest number from the smallest number.
Good, okay, so it's the biggest number to the smallest number. Well done. Alright, really impressed. So that's what we've looked at today. We're going to continue with some of that. Now, as I was saying, I have got some homework for you. The homework's not too bad, alright? It's just a little task so that we can continue.
It's on the board.
Sorry. What's the range?
It's the biggest number, it's from the biggest to the smallest number. So you take away the biggest number from the smallest number.
Good, okay, so it's the biggest number to the smallest number. Well done. Alright, really impressed. So that's what we've looked at today. We're going to continue with some of that. Now, as I was saying, I have got some homework for you. The homework's not too bad, alright? It's just a little task so that we could continue. The PowerPoints were good, but I maybe want a little bit more explanation, especially when you're doing the homework. You can take that away with you, okay? So I would say definitely I want to see some people picking this up. And then the homework, very simple. You bring it in ready for next week.
We're not here next week. We've got a trip with John, haven't we?
You away next week, what with John?
Yeah.
That's okay, John's
We have
not.
to be going for this lesson.
It's height. Yeah, but you need a number of different facts, of data, and then all I want you to do is I want you to do the mode, the mean, the median, and the range on that data. Sounds easy, Olaf?
Yeah.
Of course it does. Season. All right. Well, how many goals have Rovers scored? Yeah, and it's probably going to be close to, you know, somewhere about 100, 120. All right, that's fantastic. All right, that's fantastic. Tony's celebrated every single one of them, as has Chris. All right. Well, you find out, and then what is the mode of all the seasons? Do you see what I mean? And which is the mean of all the seasons?